guys, how you doing? It's Henry at Mowers and Blowers. Welcome to another weekend product review. Today I'm reviewing a thermal thermometer. I've always wanted these things. These things are to check engine temperature or temperature of anything really. Comes in this really nice carrying case, zippered, and it comes with a 9-volt battery. That's a good touch because usually people don't give you the batteries. Such a pain when you open it up. You're so excited to use your new gadget or item. And now you gotta stop, buzzkill, go out to a store and get a battery. But these 9-volt batteries are somewhat common, and they're kind of expensive too. So here it is. This is the thermal thermometer with a trigger. It's made by FKM, the FKM thermal thermometer. I'm going to try to find a place to put the battery. I don't like to read instructions. I'm pretty sure I could figure it out. So to use it, it's very simple. You just pull the trigger. And as you can see, the temperature right now in this garage is 53.9 degrees. You can switch between Celsius and Fahrenheit. And here's the modes. Emissivity, I don't know what that is. 212 is the maximum temperature. That's boiling, I believe. Here is the laser indicator. So I'm in the garage. As you can see, there's the laser. So you would use this to check engine temperature while it's running, for all kinds of equipment. You know what? Even if you want to see if you have COVID or not. I'm 87.9 degrees right now. It is cold, but apparently I'm dead. 87 means I'm almost dead. If I do my hand, it's 87 also. So I've always wanted one of these things because sometimes you want to check and see if you're working on an engine or something like that, or a lawnmower, and you have overheating problems. You want to see what the temperature is. Also, if you're working on your car and you have coolant issues or overheating issues, you want to check and see the temperature at running temperature. So very cool item to have from FKM. This is a thermal thermometer, and it's not very expensive at all. Go check the link in my description if you guys would like one. And thanks a lot for joining me on this unboxing and review of a thermal thermometer. Very handy tool to have, especially if you're a renter, a gearhead, or anybody who just needs to find the temperature of something without actually having to do anything but pull a trigger and point. Very easy to use and convenient with a nice LCD screen. We'll see you guys next time on Mowers and Blowers.